The Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a very powerful phone, so the big question is simple. What is actually new on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and why is it worth the update? This year, Samsung is focusing on a few key areas. Better cameras, new Galaxy AI features, the world's first built-in privacy display on mobile, improved cooling and faster charging. So in this video, let's take a closer look at what has changed between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Let's start with the cameras, because this is one of the biggest upgrades this year. The Galaxy S26 Ultra still uses a 200 megapixel wide camera, but the lens is now much wider with an f1.4 aperture. In simple terms, that means the camera can let in more light. Compared to the f1.7 lens on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung says the new wide camera lets in 47% more light. That makes a meaningful difference in low light. Photos look brighter and cleaner with less grain and more detail in darker situations. So if you often take photos or videos in low light, this is one of the most important upgrades this year. It is the kind of improvement that sounds technical at first, but makes a real difference once you use the camera. The zoom camera has also been improved. The 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra now uses an f2.9 aperture, making it 37% brighter than the equivalent camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That helps when you're taking zoom photos indoors, at concerts, in the evening, or anywhere where the lighting is not perfect. Another big difference is the display. The Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces the world's first built-in privacy display on mobile. This makes the screen much harder to read from the side, which is especially useful when you're using your phone in public. The privacy display solves a real everyday problem. If you're sitting on a train, on a plane, in a cafe, or anywhere with people around you, it becomes much harder for others to see your messages, banking apps, passwords, or whatever else is on your screen. You can turn privacy display on manually, leave it on all the time, or set it to activate automatically in specific situations. For example, when you enter a PIN or password, or when a pop-up notification appears. Galaxy AI has also been improved on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra already offered AI features for things like photo editing, text translation, and summaries, but with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is moving Galaxy AI in a more proactive direction. Features like Now Brief and Now Bar have been updated to surface your schedule, reservations, and daily updates more intelligently. So instead of checking several different apps, the phone can bring useful information to you at the right moment. Performance and cooling are another important upgrade. The Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a much larger vapor chamber than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That helps keep temperatures under control when the phone is doing demanding things like gaming, recording high-resolution video, using Galaxy AI features, or running multiple apps at the same time. In everyday use, that means the Galaxy S26 Ultra can maintain higher performance for longer without slowing down because of heat. So if you use your phone heavily, this is one of those upgrades you may actually notice over time. Charging has also been significantly improved. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports 45-watt wired charging. The Galaxy S26 Ultra increases that to 60-watt charging. With a 60-watt charger, the phone can reach 75% in just 30 minutes. That is a practical quality of life upgrade, because sometimes you don't need a full charge. You just need enough battery quickly before you leave. Wireless charging has also been improved. The Galaxy S26 Ultra supports up to 25 watts wireless charging, which is the fastest wireless charging speed Samsung has offered on a Galaxy smartphone. So is the Galaxy S26 Ultra worth the upgrade? If you already have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, this is not about replacing a slow or outdated phone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a very capable flagship, but the Galaxy S26 Ultra brings upgrades that matter in daily use. The brighter lenses help with low-light photos and videos. Privacy display is useful if you often use your phone in public. Galaxy AI is more proactive, cooling is better for longer sessions, and faster charging makes the phone more convenient when you're in a hurry. So if those are areas you care about, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just a small yearly refresh. It is a meaningful upgrade over the Galaxy S25 Ultra, especially in the areas you actually notice every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.